everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. By the title, you can tell today's video is I am going to be decorating my bedroom for Valentine's Day, maybe even my living room, but we're going to focus on my bookshelves to make it pretty for my YouTube background and just make my bed all nice and pretty as well, and just decorate my room for Valentine's Day. I did it for Christmas and that was super fun. It was really depressing taking down all my Christmas decorations. My Christmas tree was right here. But we're going to do Valentine's Day, and I have a lot of leftover Valentine's Day decorations that I used to put on the mantelpiece in my living room in my old apartment in West Hollywood. I might have to turn on my ring light because the sun is setting, so you'll have to see ring light footage probably here on out. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's decorate my bedroom for Valentine's Day. Before we start decorating my bedroom, I thought I would share with you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this super cute set from Shein. It's pink with red hearts all over it, perfect for Valentine's Day, and I thought it would be cute to wear this while I decorate. So yeah, I always have a cute like loungewear or pajama set when I'm decorating because it's hard work to decorate. So I'm wearing a 1X. I could have did with a 2X, my normal size, but they were out of stock, so I settled with a 1X. It still fits, it's just a little smaller than what I would like. And I have this bow scrunchie in my hair and just some pink fluffy slippers from Target. So that is my outfit for decorating my bedroom. Let's just get on to decorating. So this is what my bookcase looks like before. So this I might change up a teeny bit, and then the top part we're going to decorate. And then moving on to this one, I kind of like shuffled everything around, so we're gonna make that look pretty again. We're gonna go with the pink and red theme because Valentine's Day. I have this bag out because I just shot pictures with it, and we have some red and pink shoes down there to match the hot pink and red and pink bags. And we're just gonna decorate this and the top part. We might move my record player, I don't know where yet, but yeah, we are just going to decorate this whole space for now. Here are my leftover Valentine's decorations. We have quite a bit. We have banners, pillows, another balloon, and just some fun trinkets and signs. And yeah, we're just gonna put that up over there. I just did an unboxing in another video, so that's why my bed's a mess, but we'll clean that up in a bit. I'm going to take this stuff off of here, I believe, and rearrange that way. And I don't know how I'm going to do it, so let's just see. So I made some progress with it. It's looking quite nice. So I'm going to unbox something that I bought to hang on here. So let's do that. So I bought it at Target and I already opened it up. So let's just get it out of the box. And ta-da! I got these like pom-pom things that I kind of want to hang like here throughout. So yeah, let's try and open that and see if that works. If not, I have other options. Before we put this up, I think I have to rearrange this so it looks okay because I'm going to block it. So I have to rearrange some of the books because I was reading some of them and they don't look as pretty now, and I have to do this side of all the bags and the shoes and get rid of the Christmas candles. So let's time lapse this. Progress. I think I'm happy with how I decorated it. So the bottom of the bookshelves are done. Let me see if I can tackle the top part and see if I can decorate it how I like. Right now I'm unsure, so let's open these up so we can put it on the bookcase to see if I like it. I put the pom-poms up. I didn't film it because they shed like crazy and they're not felt. I thought they were like the felt pom-poms, so I might have to go buy the felt pom-poms instead. So I hooked it up over on the side like I did with my Christmas garland. So Yeah, I'm not sure yet if I like it. I'll have to experiment, but I have to get a vacuum in here now and clean it up. So here are the few Valentine's decorations I have left to put up. I think I'm gonna put most of them in the living room. I have my Happy Valentine's Day banner, and then I have another love balloon. I have some felt hearts I can put in the archways, and this super like heart tassel thing I can put in the archway in the living room. And then we have these things. We have some lights so I can light up my bed, and then these are always on my bed, so I might put it up there on the headboard. This decoration now, that one's ripped so I can't use it, and these are 4th of July decorations, so in it goes back into the closet. Do you want to see my decorations?
Oh, you got them done already.
Yeah, ain't it pretty? And my Valentine's Day dress is over there.
Yeah, I see that hanging up there. That's pretty neat.
You like it? And
All set up, huh?
Okay, my room is all done. I pretty much finished decorating it. I guess we can start at the door because I have decorations there. We'll move on to the bookcases and then my bed. This is actually on the other side of my door. I have like a door hanger, and this is gonna go when the door is open, but it's closed for now because my dad has the TV on. And then we have this pillow that's hanging on the doorknob. So when I'll insert what it actually looks like when I have it opened. And then we pan over to this side of my room, and this is what it looks like. So pretty. I went with a pink, hot pink and red theme, and I hung up my dress over there. So this is what the bookshelf looks like over all the way to my mirror, and then you can see a little bit of my bed right here, which I'll show you in a bit. So I'm going to start off with the bookcase, and then we can get closer, and then I can show you all the details. Here we have the top of the first bookcase. So I have this Happy Valentine's Day balloon that I got maybe 3 years ago now. So I have that right there, and then I have my dream sign. I just kept it there, and then I put this light pink garland that has hearts on it, and also hot pink garland with hearts as well. So I just have that throughout both the bookcases. And then we have this heart. I didn't know what to do with it, so I just put it right there for decoration. We have this XOXO little like acrylic sign that goes right there, and then a heart plate. I used this for my heart-shaped waffles last year, and I might put this in the kitchen later on. Most of my decoration is from the 99-cent store, by the way. I got it, I don't know, a couple years back. I probably will link my past Valentine's Day decorate videos. You can see those down below in the description. And then I just got this heart-shaped Valentine's Day balloon at Walmart a couple of days ago, so I inserted that there. And then I have this fun sign that has like confetti in it that says lots of love, and it's hot pink and red, and I just love that. It matches perfectly, so I have that right there. And then I guess we can move on to the second bookshelf. On the top we have my pink record player I got for Christmas. You saw me set that up in my last video, and the acrylic vinyl stand with all the vinyls. I put Taylor Swift's Lover on the front because I felt like she has the most aesthetically pleasing one for Valentine's Day, and I thought that would be perfect for this, so I can like change them out through seasons, I guess. I don't know. And then I just have this love balloon back here because why not? I didn't know where else to put it, so that's back there. So that concludes the top of the bookcases. And now we have the banners. I put these red and pink pom-poms from Target, so it runs all the way through the bookcase. And then these like felt hearts I put on there as well, and in the middle I put Hello Beautiful with a heart. That's also from the 99-cent store. I had one that said Season's Greetings for my Christmas one, so I wanted to put another sign for Valentine's Day. Now moving on to what's on the bookshelves, I can get closer, we have my red heart bag and my hot pink heart bag. And then this sign, my J sign, I guess we can turn it on for the video. Forgot to do that. So we have that, and then we have a pink bag back there and a red bag that matches. So have that for aesthetic purposes. And then we have some hot pink bags, and then this red bag in the middle. And then lastly, we have my red shoes, and then my pink shoes, and then a hot pink bag beside it to match it. So very cute. I love how I styled it, and at least I have somewhere to put my bags. Then we actually have the bookcase side where there actually is books. So we have this back here. So we have Anna and the French Kiss series, and then the special edition one with my tiara and my cashmere vanilla candle, a stack of pink books with my old hot pink camera, another cashmere vanilla candle. We have more books categorized by color, my jewelry. I forgot to put that ornament away, but hey, it's decoration now. We have this jewelry case right here too, and the candle I got for Christmas. More books, the Off-Campus series over there by L. Kennedy. And then down there is still miscellaneous junk. And I have a bag, perfume, my camera box. And yeah, you don't really see that, so I didn't really decorate it. But that is my bookcases. Super cute. I love how it turned out. So panning from my bookcases, you go over to my mirror. So I tied this love balloon up here, and then I just hung up my pink dress that I got in from Cider. It's so pretty. I thought it would match perfectly with the aesthetic of the room, and I just love how it looks. So yeah, it can be Valentine's Day decor as well. Don't know how I'm gonna take pictures now. I'll have to remove it when I do, but it's just for aesthetic purposes for this video. But I super love how it turned out, and I'm glad I decided to hang it up there. Moving on from there, we have the carpets, and then we have my bed. So this is what my bed looks like. Saw me, I changed my bedding, so this is from last year, but I just put it back on again. Then we have these lights here. They're just pink hearts. I think I got these at Target when I first moved here. So yeah, they're just super cute. They run across my footboard. So we have that going on. And we have my bedding. I just got it in. It is called Ballet Pink, and I love that. It's kids bedding, but it fits my queen bed perfectly. And yeah, I really love that. So we have that going on. And then we have my teddy bear, Mr. Ted, some hot pink pillows, my back pillow rest, and then more pink pillows. And then we have my headboard. I still have the fairy lights, but I can show you my pink garland right there. I have this. I don't know when I got this, maybe 2019. It always hangs on my bed. Sometimes I just leave it up, not even for Valentine's Day. It just looks cute all year round, so I might do that again. But that's what it looks like. It's just blush pink fabric hearts with some cream tassels, and it just looks so pretty with my bed. So that is what my bed looks like, all made. And then we have my shoes in the corner, and then the bookcase, and then this corner I'm really happy with too. So that is my Valentine's Day bedroom room tour. I feel like I'm going to end the video this direction because it's very pretty. I can't wait to film all my other videos with this background. I'm so happy with it. I love how I decorated it. And I only bought, I think, one Valentine's Day decoration this year, so that's good. That is my bedroom decorated all pretty for Valentine's Day. But I also decorated a little of my apartment in the living room, so I can just insert footage now of what that looks like. I put my Happy Valentine's Day felt banner on my kitchen. I put the heart and tassel banner garland up in the dining room / living room archway, and then I put up these pink felt hearts in my doorway from the bathroom into the hallway to the kitchen. And then lastly, we have just some red hearts in the archway in the kitchen to give it a bit more Valentine's Day feel. So I didn't really decorate too much of my apartment. Oh, I did forget the wreath that I put in that's hanging outside my window so people can see it when they walk past my apartment. So we have that as well. I really enjoyed putting this together. I hope you enjoyed watching me decorate for Valentine's Day and see my aesthetic come to life. I love Valentine's Day just for the aesthetic of it. I love pink, red, and hot pink together. It's one of my favorite color combinations, and if I could leave my room this way all year round, I could. But I like decorating it for all the seasons. So there you have it. I will make sure to link everything that I can down below, or if you have a question, leave it in the comments and I will get back to you. There you have it. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!